Sibambane. The Dabengwa family and the MaKhumalo family. I didn't see my sisters, MaKhumalo, in Tembi. I think she didn't come from Botswana. My sister there, thank you very much. So, many may not actually understand why I'm here. I'm here as family. This was my mother. Ubaba Dabengwa, he was my father. You can't be a leader if you do not have 2,000 mentors. Dr. Dabengwa, we worked very well. We worked very well. And the reason why we connected is because Isifiso Kababa Dabe in Yomwe was to see ukuthuthukiswa kobulawayo, ukuthuthukiswa kweZimbabwe. So we represent that vision, and that is how we connected. I would speak to my mother almost every week. My sister, I'm sure you know, from the UK, that every day she would always say, Chamisa mourns, I'm praying for you to be safe. I'm supposed to come, this was in 2022, and she said, I'm supposed to come in August, but I had a hip replacement. I'm actually coming, the doctors have said, it's not safe to travel. I'm coming next year. And when I come, we didn't talk politics. I'm praying that you will be safe. So her prayer was for me to be safe. And I hope that you will continue to be safe as a nation so that we are able to do what it is related to. Namhlanje inhliziyo yami bantu bakithi ibuhlungu. Ibuhlungu because I've lost a mother. I've lost a mother who was always praying for me. Prayer, umthandazo, is what keeps nations strong. Prayer is what unlocks opportunities for nations. When leaders understand that prayer is what unlocks even things that are difficult, unity comes out of prayer. Ukubambana comes out of prayer. Ukuthuthuka comes out of prayer. But a lot of our leaders don't understand that leadership is about worshiping God, ukuthandaza, praying and looking unto God. My message here, my brother Swiss, is that our mother taught us to pray. The nation was taught to pray. My auntie, you told me yesterday how it is important for us to pray. Tina, tichichema, siyakhala. We are crying. Why are we crying? Because we are losing the pillars of our nation. Ubaba Dabengwa was a pillar of this nation. So was Umar. Why were they pillars? They understood that to build a nation, you must build regions. To build a nation, you must make sure that you devolve authority. To build a nation, you must make sure that you empower the people. Ilizwe must belong umuntu wonke. Our resources must belong umuntu wonke. That's what they represented. That's why Baba Dabengwa wanted the Zambezi water project, because he understood that water is life. He wanted Obulawayo to develop, but he also wanted Zimbabwe to develop. That is what we are here for. So, the Dabengwa family represents a legacy. Umndeni wakwaDabengwa uyilifa lethu. Umndeni olothando olukhulu. Umndeni olesineke esikhulu. Umndeni olesikhwama esikhulu. Umndeni olozwelo olukhulu. Umndeni olobuhle obukhulu. Lembono emihle. That is the Dabengwa family. That is what the family represents. And that is why some of us are here. Nyawula Kakuru, the Dabengwa family, thank you for giving us such pillars. The MaKhumalo family, thank you for our mother. A beautiful soul, a beautiful heart, a beautiful character. Thank you. Nyawula Kakuru. Thank you so much. I'm not going to talk about politics. I will infuriate my mother, Mama Judith. I know in politics we belong to different parties, but we belong to one people, one nation, and one country. So I'm not talking ama parties. Politics amama. No. Asifuni kutai. Some are going for the fist, some are going for the finger. That's not the platform. This is a platform to remember our mother. Ukuhlonipha the work she did, and to honor the work she contributed. Sifuna ilizwe lomuntu wonke, umnotho womuntu wonke, so that everything is for all of us. So thank you very much, the Dabengwa family, for honoring me and allowing me to come and just give my respect to my mother. We came for the official launch of the Dabengwa Family Foundation. I was a guest of honor, if you remember, because whoever Dabengwa, saw something in this young man. He said the vision that you have is a vision that we used to have when we were young. And Baba Dabengwa, Mom Dabengwa, we are not going to let you down. We are going to make sure that Zimbabwe shall be the pride of this whole continent and the whole world. We will develop Zimbabwe. We will unite your people of Zimbabwe. We will make sure that we devolve authority. We will make sure that Ulawayo is going also to be, not everything being done in Harare. Birth certificates Harare. Airports Harare. Lobola paying Lobola Harare. How do we pay Lobola in Harare when we are making it? So we want to make sure that we devolve our policies, we develop our programs and facilities of government. That is our commitment to Baba Dabengwa and Mamu Dabengwa. Thank you very much. Jesu kolala. Some of you are laughing. My effort in Debel is acknowledged by the Lord.